Hi everyone, welcome to HowtoFix Online. Today, I'm going to help you learn how to fix Facebook when it keeps stopping on an Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming uploads from us. If your Facebook keeps stopping and that's really frustrating to you and you really want a solution for that, then follow the steps. The main reason might be that you are running an outdated version of Facebook app on an Android device. For your application to work smooth and fine, you need to be updating your application now and then. So open up your Play Store, go to the search box at the top and type in Facebook. Once you search for Facebook, if your application is not up to date, you'll be able to see an update button popping up right next to the app. Simply tap on update and download the latest version of Facebook on your Android device. But instead, if you see an open button popping up, that means your application is up to date and you don't need to do that right now. Tap open and relaunch your Facebook application and see if that fixes your issue. If it still does not, the next thing to do is to close all the running apps on your Android. Tap on the Recents button from your Android device and close off all of the application running in the background. Now, if that still does not work, the next thing to do is to reboot your Android device. Press the power button and tap on Restart. Once you reboot your system, tap open your Facebook app and see if that fixes your issue. Apart from that, you can also try clearing your cache data for the Facebook application. Tap Open Settings from the Android device and from the Settings menu, scroll a bit down and tap on Apps. From the list of the apps displayed on your screen, tap on Facebook. Now, in order to clear cache, you'll need to tap on Storage. Now, you'll be able to see a Clear Cache button popping up at the bottom right-hand corner. Give it a tap and your cache data for Facebook app will be deleted. Once you do that, go back to Facebook and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your Facebook keeps stopping on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.